Got a quick trick for you. Sometimes these refrigerators can be really tough to get the wheel to start if you got like a rocking fridge. The first turn is really tough. Sometimes what you could do is take your screwdriver and insert it in and then do a twist to get the wheel to move just a little bit. If you can get it to start to move, then it's much easier. I should have showed you on the other one because it was a little bit in a better position. We don't want to damage the wheel either, so it's tricky. So you see I'm getting it to turn? I got it to turn that first turn. And once that's done, then now I can turn it much easier. But that first turn is always really tough. It's just a quick trick to work it out. It works for dishwashers and refrigerators, kind of the same thing. Those first turns are always tough. A lot of time with a dishwasher, when you have it out and not installed, it's much easier to do that first turn. But if you forget, this is a trick that can work. Doesn't always work, but can work for that. New refrigerator not working. I need to call that in under warranty. It's not cooling. When you got something like this, your serial number, right here, model number, serial number. Good idea to take a photo of that with your phone. Smartphone works good for this. Not very clear, is it? Up with my lens. So yeah, that brand new fridge I showed you, or that was in the video, had a hole in the condenser, leaked all the Freon.
Refrigerant,
Compressor was working,
necessarily
but fridge wasn't cooling. So here I am again doing the same thing. So I get a chance to show you, and I'm gonna try to do it with some light this time. How we can use the screwdriver. Oh boy, gotta turn the flash on there. We got ice, so that's good. Okay. Here we go. And just going to turn it to the side. See, I'm going to twist my screwdriver so that it gets the first start. Once we get that first one, then it's much easier to turn. So I can lift a little and turn. Sounds easy enough. And it is. There we go. A little easier with 2 hands. It looks like we're good here. More. Do a little on this one too. See, just a little twist. Now we're started. Now I can move that wheel just a little bit easier. See? There we go. No more shaking. Fridge should just close lightly on its own. Not too much. Perfect. All right. So that's my trick, and that works for dishwashers and refrigerators. But showing it to you for a refrigerator wheel. Sometimes, again, those are really hard to start the first couple turns. Little stuff you come up with to make life easier for you, and little stuff I've come up with to make life easier for myself and hopefully make life easier for you. Obviously, some things can cause something to break, so you got to use the deal at your own risk and understand that all the possibilities of the situation. Things won't always work. Sometimes things break. Those are the breaks, and you got to be ready for anything. Thanks for watching Comfy Maintenance. Hope that makes life a little bit easier for somebody out there.